Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot slow performance in Brave browser. If Brave browser feels slow or takes longer than usual to respond, you can review several built-in settings and tools to help identify possible performance issues. In this tutorial, we will only review the available settings inside Brave browser. We will not open any external websites, so let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, go to More Tools. Then select Task Manager. The Brave browser Task Manager will now open. Here you can view the different processes running inside the browser. You can also review the resource usage for these processes, including memory and CPU usage. This can help you understand which browser processes may be using system resources. After reviewing the Task Manager, close the window and return to Brave browser. Now open the Brave menu again and select Settings. On the Settings page, open the System section. Here, you can review the available system and performance-related settings in Brave browser. Next, open the Privacy and Security section. From here, you can access the browser's browsing data settings. These settings allow you to review different types of stored browser data. For this tutorial, we are only reviewing the available options. We are not clearing any browsing data. Next, return to the Brave menu and open Extensions. Here, you can view the extensions installed in Brave browser. Reviewing your installed extensions can help you identify extensions that you no longer need or want to check while troubleshooting browser performance. Finally, open Settings again and go to About Brave. Here, Brave browser will display information about the current browser version and update status. Keeping Brave browser updated can help ensure that you have the latest improvements and fixes. By checking the built-in Task Manager, System Settings, Privacy and Security Settings, Extensions, and About Brave page, you can review several important areas when troubleshooting slow performance in Brave browser. And that's how you can troubleshoot slow performance in Brave browser using the browser's built-in settings and tools. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.